So a few years ago, we came up with the idea to teach furniture courses. We found a really cool piece of property, and it really lends itself to having almost a retreat. For 2.5 days, people come, they work on a project. We design different projects with kind of different skill sets in mind. First project was an end table. And the end table was designed in my head to incorporate all of my favorite techniques, just ways of woodworking that's made my life easier. And it just kind of morphed into more. It was really enjoyable for me. Just seeing the reaction of people, it just made sense to keep on adding more. My goal is to send people home with not just a sense of how to build the piece that we're focused on. I really want to teach them that furniture making is approachable, teach them the techniques that I've really benefited from. If I can leave them with a few of these techniques that allow them to take a piece of furniture that they're thinking in their head and to make it into a tangible piece, then I feel good about that. For 2.5 days, we focused on this project. We're gonna hang out, have a good time, meet like-minded people, and then take this project home. If you wanna learn more about this, you can check out our website, jorybrigham.com, and hope to see you.